Yo, what's good guys? Welcome back to a new video. Welcome to 2021. Let's get it. It is a brand new month and it is a brand new year. So I hope you guys are going to take advantage of this time and just make some progress, make some goals, make some gains. Whether that be on your own self body, your finances, your mentality, whatever it is, I hope you guys make some gains somehow, some way. And in today's video, I'm gonna give you guys some brain gains knowledge on product research for Amazon FBA. Going into 2021, people are still gonna ask, is it still possible to find products? And yes, it still is. And I'm gonna give you guys one major tip that's helped me improve my product research and find better products. So I want you guys to listen and take note of this so you guys have a better way of going into finding products and using product research. Now, before we begin, I need you guys to smash that like button. And if you guys do, I will bring up Oogie right now. I'll show you my Chow Chow and I'll put him in the camera so you guys can enjoy his presence for a bit. So I'm just gonna wait. Go ahead, smash that like button and subscribe if you haven't already, because you know it helps so much. Okay, I'm gonna bring him on. Yes, okay. I just literally disturbed him from his nap to bring him onto the camera. So say hi to the camera, say hi to YouTube, Oogie. This is Oogie, my 15-week-old Chow Chow, and he's like 30 pounds now. He's getting pretty heavy, but say hi. Hello. Hello. All right, so thank you for smashing that like button. Now, we are gonna get on with this video and give you guys an update on my sales, of course. So I'm gonna give you guys this update. All right, boom. Little over $600 for the day so far and $545,000 in the last 12 months. So that's my account right now, and let's hop into my computer so we can talk about the one major tip for product research in 2021. All right guys, so here we are on my computer right now. We are on my software tool, Helium 10. Helium 10 is a software tool I use for my Amazon business. I use it day in, day out. So if you guys want to use Helium 10, I really suggest it when you need product research, keyword research, all that good stuff, building your listing, everything. It has all the tools available for you. You can see here it has everything, and it's very, very helpful. It's literally the key to making my business run and help it be successful. So discounts down below. It is an affiliate link. So you guys win, I win, and all of us are happy. So Helium 10 is what I recommend. If you want to use Jungle Scout, that's totally fine. They all work the same, but I personally use Helium 10. So go ahead, check that out. Now, what we're gonna be going over is product research using Helium 10's black box right here, okay? And this is just a web app where you can just find products on Amazon, put in a certain criteria and pull up some information, right? So we're gonna pull up something in, let's go into sports and outdoors. It's pretty high in season right now, I would say. And then we're gonna look at something that is in a comfortable price range for you, something that's more relative to your goal. So if you wanna make $5,000 a month on Amazon, we're gonna put something like $5,000 up to, we need some range, so we need to give it a good range. Let's say like $16,000 in a random number. Price point, I'd say anything that's above like $12 would be fine. Review count, let's put something low, something less competitive, something like 98. And then that's it. So that's all we're gonna put out, and we're gonna hit search. So here is the important part, okay? So with the important tip, this one major tip that you need to consider when you're going to Amazon and looking for products is you need to get good at filtering out bad products. And what I mean is bad products that don't match certain criteria, that are too competitive or not enough demand, or something that's gonna be like too complicated, or a very basic item like a cup or like a sleeve, a knee sleeve, or something that you know is gonna be very competitive, like clothes, things like that. So things that you know that are gonna be kind of bad products, you need to filter those out so you don't waste your time on it. So I'm not going to waste my time on products like let's see, like a cooking pot right here. So it says aluminum cooking pot. I'm not gonna waste my time on that product because it's a very basic item. It's a commodity item. So I'm not gonna waste any time on that, all right? What is this? This is a power net, indoor, outdoor. That looks interesting. So I'm only gonna click on the products that are interesting, and then I don't go any further. I don't look anything further. I go back and I continue to look. Okay, so this is a goal targeting. So we're gonna click on that. Looks interesting. So anything that has like certain logos or name brands on it, like this has a university sign, so you can't use that. We're not gonna do that. Any jackets, we're not gonna waste time on that. Backpacks, we're not gonna waste time on that. Knives, we're not gonna waste time on that, because these are all basic items. Treadmill, we're not gonna do a treadmill. So these are all basic items. You can see I'm just running through these pretty quickly because I know that these are not good items. You know, it doesn't make sense to do a freaking, what is this, a crossbow or something like that. Cameras, no good. I see clothes. I'm not finding anything interesting that's unique, okay? So I'm waiting for something that's interesting or unique, all right? Looks like a utility rope. We'll click on that. So if I find something interesting, I move on and I don't spend more time on it. Water bottles, basic items. This vest, basic item. So I'm not wasting any time on things that don't look interesting and they look too basic. Now, once you find at least 3 items, at least 3 to 10 or something like that, we're gonna go over and we're gonna start evaluating these products, and then we're going to look at the whole market, right? So we have a utility rope. So we're gonna click on all departments here and search in utility rope. And then we're just gonna kind of look through the whole market. We're gonna pull up the numbers. And then from here, now that we already have a select amount of products, now we're going to start filtering them out even further. So if they don't match any of the surface level criteria like high demand and low competition, then we're gonna cancel out. We're gonna not waste any more time. We're just gonna move on, all right? So waiting for this to load. So what I do is I organize the revenue from high to low, and then I take out all of these SP sponsored ads because they're not organically there, and I just wanna see the organic products. And I want to then filter out these and then find the ones that are related to my products. So the ones that are basically the same thing as everything else. So these all look basically the same. We go over, so the revenue is really good. Well, actually, it's actually not that good. So we have 40,000 and then it goes down, and these are like 4,000, 4,000. So there's not actually enough revenue here for me. I like to see that at least the top 12, which is this first right here, these are the top 12, have at least $5,000. So this one, these left bottom 3 are under 5,000, so I don't like that. So the revenue is kind of low. And then we look at the review count and the competition is high. So we have 2,000, and we don't see any people with around 150 or lower that are doing well. So boom, that's it. Don't waste any more time, move on, don't include it, move on to the next product. And we do the same thing. And then we look at the same product. Then we look up the product, soccer, goal, target, boom. And then we kind of do the same thing over again. And the goal is to be efficient, becoming more efficient with finding products, because the strategies are always the same. You know, whatever the revenue and the high demand and the competition is, that's all the same. You know, we all teach the same thing. We know what to look for, but it's about how to become more efficient. How do you get better at this so you can spend more time finding the right products and less time on the products that don't really matter? And so I go through the same process of organizing the revenue high to low, and then taking out all these sponsored ads. And I'm again looking for the product that looks exactly like what we're looking for. So these are not relative. I really like to make sure that it says like the keyword in this description. So we got targets here. Okay, we got targets here. This is for football. Delete these sponsored ads here. Okay, this is a actual net right here, so we don't want to bring that guy in here. That's not the same thing either. So we got targets, that's target, that's just a net. So you get what I'm saying, and we filter it out, and then we go through, we look at the revenue. Okay, so everyone in the top 12 right here is making over $5,000, so that's good. And then, so that passes, so we move on to the next thing. Okay, look at the review count. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 people with around 150 reviews or less that are all doing over $5,000. That's amazing. So this is a good potential product right here. And now I can spend more time on this product. Now I can look deeper into it. I can look into patents, how to differentiate. Is it seasonal? What's the profit margins? I can spend more time on this because it already passed the first layer. We already know it has good revenue. We already know it has low reviews. So now I can move forward with this product. And you can see, like, compared to the other ones, I didn't spend much time with it. Now this one I can spend more time because it did pass. So again, get good at filtering out bad products and getting close to those good ones. When you filter out the bad products, you spend more time on the good ones like this, and you'll get closer to finding good products like this, all right? So filter out the bad products, make sure if it doesn't pass one of the criteria, you just move on, that's it. And that is how you become more efficient with product research. So I hope this video was very, very helpful for you guys. And if you guys haven't already, like the video if you liked it and you find it helpful, because it helps my channel when you like the video. And then if you guys want to learn directly from me on how to build or start your Amazon business, go ahead, check out the mentorship down below where you have to apply. And then if we approve of you, we'll get in contact with you. All right, so thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next one. As always, go make that money, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.